Wow. Damn it, I have the camera pointing that way.
Hey, that's not funny. Alright. This is Frankenstein. Oh, come on.
That's holding a 555.
All it was is this. That's how fucking loud it is.
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a makeshift chip horn. I had all 5 of these bells except for the Mac one. Had them all jammed inside one of the bells, and I had a 5-horn single chime.
Wow.
Sounds like my Leslie. Don't it sound just like a Leslie?
Yeah.
Alright, now for the P series. Just
Alright.
ready?
Yep.
That's it.
That was nice.
That is beautiful sound.
Oh yeah.
But wanted me a ruptured duck A125.